In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on CapCut project with friends. If you've ever wanted to edit with a teammate, share assets in one place, or keep everyone in sync without exporting files back and forth, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move slowly and clearly, so you know exactly where to click and what to expect at each stage. Start by opening CapCut on your computer or in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you plan to use for teamwork, and, if possible, update to the latest version so your interface matches what you see here. A stable internet connection helps because collaboration features rely on being online, and it can prevent hiccups when loading shared projects and media. Inside CapCut, look for spaces. This is the area that groups projects, assets, and people together, making collaboration organized and scalable. Think of a space as your team's shared studio. Everyone can see the same folders, drafts, and exports depending on the permissions you choose. If you don't spot the label right away, check the sidebar or the top navigation. Entering a space keeps things tidy, especially when multiple projects are moving at once, and it's a good habit to keep your personal drafts separate from teamwork. Once you're in the right space, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a user silhouette with a small plus sign. Click that icon. This is the dedicated control for collaboration and sharing within your space. It opens the invitation panel, where CapCut centralizes options for adding people and managing how they interact with your projects. Using the icon here ensures your invites connect directly to the space, rather than sharing things one by one later. At this point, you're ready to invite friends. Before you send anything, take a moment to think about who needs full editing access and who only needs to view or review. Clear roles help avoid accidental overwrites and keep your timeline clean. It's also smart to set a simple naming convention for files and versions so everyone can find the newest cut quickly. If your team leaves feedback inside CapCut, encourage concise notes and time-stamped comments to speed up revisions. Finally, coordinate your working hours when possible, especially for bigger projects, so media loads smoothly and edits don't clash. That's all you need to get collaboration up and running in CapCut. Open the app, head to Spaces, click the User Plus icon, and you're ready to bring your team in. Happy editing, and enjoy creating together.